Hello, hello. Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. I hope all is well. I know it has been a minute, at least a few days, because I have just been so busy. I've been in a special training to better myself at my job that I do. So I had to take a little break from filming this update on my weight loss because I actually been, like I said, taking something to better myself. It was a 3-day intense training, another service I'll be able to add to my business. So I'll go ahead and just say that too right now. If it's something that you want to do, I had a lot of loss in my family the last couple years. And one thing my mother always said is, if it's anything you think you want to do while you above ground, it's legal, nothing immoral, go ahead and do it. So I'm investing in myself. This class did cost a pretty penny, but I think it's going to add, like I said, more revenue to my overall bottom line on my business. And even fun stuff. You guys know I've been talking about that a lot. Trying to just do more fun stuff. Enjoy life. New memories, new people, new food, new activities. So again, this channel is not just about the scale number, which is important. I'm getting there. But it's not just about that. It's not. I'm going to tell you about something else I bought for myself, just a little treat in just a second. So anyway, let's get to it. For those of you who do not know, I am Kimmi. I am on a healthy weight loss journey. I have lost a total of 17.5 pounds. That's my update for today. Still can't hit that 20, y'all. Cannot hit 20. And that's because life has been lifing, and I've been enjoying it. So I'm still feeling good. Same thing. This week I lost 1.2, which is not a new weight loss because it's really, when I did the math, the combination of the last 2 weeks. I went up, I went down. So it's really the same 1.2 pounds. So that part, I will admit, is a little frustrating. But then too, I cannot be that frustrated because I know what I've been doing all week, right? So I haven't been 100% strict with myself. I have not been completely off my diet either because obviously I lost 1.2 pounds, right? Or my healthy weight loss journey, let's just say that. But let me tell y'all some good things that happened. So I'm still trying to hit that 20. When I do 20, I'm going live that day to celebrate with you all. I'm going to tell you what's been going on the last few months for those of you who are new and haven't been able to watch every single video. But we're going to celebrate 20, guys. It's coming. I'm 2.5 pounds away, and I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. So really quick. So this week I went to the gym with my sister, and she had been out of town. She's back, and I enjoyed it so much, guys. I went to the gym with her. I did a treadmill for like 30 minutes. Oh my goodness, that day I felt so amazing. I was tempted to join the gym because I went a couple months back with my husband. I enjoyed that, but it was just something about hanging out with my sister, maybe because I hadn't seen her in a while, or maybe just a girl thing. I don't know. But that day I just felt so pumped up, and I wasn't feeling as pressured when I went with her either. Because when I went with him, he had his routine. I felt like I was kind of breaking it up. You ever walk with somebody? I talked about it in that video. They walk really fast, so his routine at the gym is he does, his treadmill, he does his weights, he does this, he does that. And then I go and I'm moving a little slower, doing my own thing. So I could feel the pressure when I went with him. Wasn't a bad thing. He wasn't making me feel any way, but it was just, I knew I was interrupting. But when I went with her, I was able to do me. She did her, and it was just amazing. They also had a massage chair, guys, at this place. So I've never really had a massage. I had one when I used to work at the hospital. They would bring in annually people to come in and do massages for us and stuff like that. So I had a chair massage before, but this is a bed you lay in. It's at Planet Fitness. I don't work for them. I'm not advertising for them. I'm not even a member. I'm just telling you what happened. And they had this water massage bed, and that thing, woo, that water would just be going up and down your back, up and down your back. So I enjoyed that. So that was a little treat for me. And that was so funny. The day she called me, I was like, nah, I don't want to go. And then something said, you know what, you said you're going to start saying yes more. So I hopped out of the bed and I went ahead and went to the gym with her. And it was the best day ever as far as my physical movement. I just felt so good being there. And again, it made me want to join. I did not, but it made me want to. And then the next thing I did for myself, guys, let me show you. I bought this little doohickey. And it is for your hair. It's for your scalp. And I'm just showing you this because I want you to do little things to treat yourself. It doesn't always have to be $100. Oh, it's still kind of wet. I washed my hair this morning. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. But I want to show you this. So it's a scalp massager. So you might be saying, well, I could just use my fingers. But when you, after I went to the massage thing with my sister, I think that's what made me really start getting to these massages. So you just push the little button on the top and then you run it through your hair. And it's supposed to help with your scalp and just get blood circulating. Because you all know I was telling you I had some, I've been having some hair issues. And I'm trying to cut it off. Hold on. And I think it's just thinning, quite frankly, age. And things that you go through is, like I said, as you continue to age in this world. So that part is okay. But I love this little thing. And I've been doing it. So I washed my hair today and I did it when it was wet. That's why the water was coming out. So I bought that little, it was like $30. I had read online that scalp massages are good for you. And sometimes instead of paying people, you guys know me, I'll go ahead and try to figure it out myself so I don't have to pay somebody. So I invested in this little scalp massager thing. I found it at Amazon. Just a little treat. It was like $30, $35. Like I said, I was being cheap. I was like, well, I'm going to get that. And then the other piece of me was like, why not? So if you got, like I said earlier, if you guys, some things that you really want to do in life, you know, if you want to travel a little bit, it doesn't have to be out the country. Even locally, you can go somewhere. I haven't seen Atlanta. It's a lot of things I've never done here in Atlanta. So I'm doing that and putting it on my to-do list. That's going to make you more active, right? More activity means more weight loss. Or you can eat a little bit more, at least to compensate for what you're eating. But a little extra movement never hurts anyone. So the thing I hated about last week the most was that I didn't get the number of steps that I normally get. I had been getting at 10,000. Remember when I was working outside the house at that project? I still have not been on target to hit that 10,000. And I miss it. I just miss it. So I said I'm going to start doing more steps in my house. Because like right now, I'm not even wearing my thing, my smartwatch. I had it on this morning because I said I'm going to try to see how close I can get. And then I took it off. So that's the only thing I'm still kind of mad about. I'm still enjoying my blueberries. I was going to show you my smoothie I made this morning. This one has blueberry, mango, spinach, and strawberries. So I decided to have my smoothie this morning. So anyway, what else going on? So this week I've been at the house working more. So I didn't have, like I said, as much activity. I did bag up some of my old clothes. I'm going to show y'all that in the video coming up. I bagged up some of my old clothes. And guess how that helped me, guys? I was trying on stuff and it was too big. Now, some of it, honestly, was just old and outdated. It was like, I had this since 1970, okay? This is not in style, or you're not going to get to a size whatever and wear it again, or you probably don't even need to wear it again, right? So I tried on some stuff. Some of it was too small. Some of it was too big, especially my pants in the butt area, guys. That was the best part because I told you I got a little junk in my trunk. And the pant size, the butt part was too big, right? I might could even wear it. It didn't fall off, but it was baggy, saggy in the butt area where I had lost some weight because I've lost almost 20 pounds. And 20 pounds is like almost 2 dress sizes, almost 2. So I can tell you guys, I'm not embarrassed by it. I started probably at like a 24, and now I'm kind of like a 20, 18, 20. So I showed y'all a picture on a couple videos I did back, but I will do another update video, maybe just put on some different clothes so you can see before and after, and just put that in the video, especially when I hit, right before I hit 20, hopefully within the next couple weeks I can hit that 20. But I bagged up some clothes, so mentally it made me feel better. I was like, oh, look at Kimmi, looking good, feeling fine. And I really was, even as I was getting rid of the clothes, guys. So I donated them to Goodwill. So 2 things. I felt better and I was able to give. And that made me feel good too. So I donated those. And what else happened? I did film some new videos. So look for those. And I just had more clarity in my mind still. Even though the scale didn't drop the way I wanted it to hit that 20 is the number. 20 is a target. Even though I didn't hit that, again, you see, I've been just doing some self-care. I got my little massage thing for my hair. I went to the gym with my sister, did another massage there. So just really getting into Kimberly, okay? So anyway, guys, goals for next week. I'm going to be doing some traveling. just a few days next week. Real local. I'll tell you about it. Just going to Asheville, North Carolina, a couple hours away. And we'll see what happens. I'm going to try to stay on track and give you some updates next week. So until next time, just to update, recap, I lost 1.2. I don't know if I mentioned today I'm doing Weight Watchers. I usually mention that in the beginning. I don't think I did, but for those who are still here, hope you are. And I didn't tell you what plan I'm doing. I'm doing Weight Watchers, okay? So 1.2 pounds total, 17.5 for the whole journey I've been on. And again, 1.2 for this week. So I will be in touch, guys. Until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Do something kind for yourself today. I don't know what it is. Get you an old movie, get you a book, get you a new topic to research. Better way to say that. I need some protein probably, huh? Okay. Well, anyway, guys, all that sugar going straight to my head. Well, take care. And until next time, Healthy Life with Kimmi.